Hey everyone, how you doing? This is Chris Johns here at Guaranteed Rate Mortgage, and we got to talk about home prices here. Right now, as I shoot this video, it is the spring of 2023. We're heading into kind of the busiest typical buying season, which is going to be the summer. And there was a report that came out very recently from a big real estate research company called Zonda, and what they said there in that research was that 53% of millennials in our country are waiting for home prices to come down. Now, I need to kind of talk to you guys about that so that you understand the logic on why we think that is not going to happen. This article here up behind me was an article recently published also last week by Fortune magazine, and they collected some data from CoreLogic, which is another big real estate data company. And again, they think that home prices have bottomed out and they will not continue to drop at all. In fact, we're starting to see home prices rise. So what I want to do is take you back to middle school, and you're taking your supply and demand middle school test. So with supply and demand, there's three things that go on. There is supply, demand, and price. And if we know one of those, then we can predict the other two. So if price is high, typically that's going to make demand go down and supply go up because people aren't buying stuff. Well, that's not what's happening in real estate right now. What's happening in real estate, the big story is that supply is down. So when supply is low, what happens is demand is high and then price is high. And that is exactly what is happening right now. So we just don't think there's any indicators right now to tell us that home prices are going to significantly drop. I know that that sounds nice and it would be cool if they would, but the reality is that there's just more buyers than sellers. And one of the analogies that I have is, buying a fan in the summertime. What you do is you go into the store and the shelves are just cleared. There's hardly any fans. Maybe you can find a couple, but the price of them is really high. So that's kind of what's happening is we have a very low supply. The demand is hot as can be. So price is just going to continue to stay stable and or increase. So the time is now. If you are looking to buy a house, if you're looking to get pre-approved and understand how you can compete in this high demand market, please reach out to me. I'd love to show you some strategies that we can use. We've got a strategy where we can close your loan in 12 to 14 days, and that can be very competitive. That's our power bid program. So we've got others, and I'd love to talk with you through that. So thanks so much for listening, and it's time to get off the fence if you're thinking about buying a house. Take care, guys.